Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another iTech tutorial. And on this tutorial we're going to be actually talking about how to make a really awesome looking Spry menu bar. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. It's very simple, it doesn't really take so much, and it's going to look way better than just a typical Spry menu bar. And you can create it with Adobe Dreamweaver. So yeah, let's get started. So I have this blank page, and right here I'm just going to go ahead and first of all just go to Insert, Spry Menu Bar, and it's gonna ask horizontal, of course. Go ahead and press OK. That's it. You have your Spry Menu Bar, and basically right now it looks simple, basic Spry Menu Bar. If you go to Live, you'll see that it's just a typical menu bar. That's about it. Nothing special. So yeah, let's go to step number 2. So we're gonna go ahead and click on this blue tab that says Spry Menu Bar. We're going to go ahead and go to Insert. Once we're in Insert, we're going to go ahead and go to Layout, Object, Div Tag. And once we're there, the Insert actually says Wraparound Selection, which is fine. And in the ID, you can go ahead and type in anything you want. I'm just going to go ahead and put in Rule 1. So we have that, and we're going to go ahead and click OK. And that's about it. So now that we did that, we're going to go ahead and insert some CSS3. But first of all, we're going to go ahead and go to a website called colorzilla.com, and I'll have the link below on the description box. Once we're there, we're going to go ahead and select basically what we want to use. In this case, I want to go ahead and use this one right here, which is called Black 3D number 1. And it's simple. Basically, we want to make sure that the orientation is set to horizontal, and that the IE is selected. And we're going to go ahead and copy this code. Yikes. Okay, so once we copy that code, we're going to go ahead and go back to Dreamweaver. So we're back on Dreamweaver, and once we're back over here, we're going to go ahead and go to CSS style, and we're going to go ahead and click on Spry Menu Bar and bring this box down because we need it to go as low as possible. So let's do that. And we're going to go ahead and get rid of some rules on here, and basically you have about I think about 18 rules, and we're going to go ahead and get rid of 5 of them, which is going to be 12 through 16. So let's go ahead and do that. So it's going to be from there to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, and we're going to go ahead and click delete. So we're going to go ahead and click delete those rules, click OK, and we're left with this. Okay, after deleting those, we're going to go ahead and click on Spry Menu Bar horizontal.css, which is right above, and go ahead and click that, and go ahead and select ul.menubar horizontal A. Okay, and once you do that, let's go ahead and make this a little bit wider. And we're going to go ahead and insert right on 96. We're going to go ahead and insert that code. So basically you have text hyphen decoration none, and then click enter, and then that's where you're going to go ahead and insert the code that we had copied from the other location. Once you go ahead and do that, go ahead and save and refresh. Okay, and now let's go ahead and go back to design mode. Once we're back in design mode, if we go to live view, we're gonna see how the code actually looks now that the effect took place. But the problem that we're gonna have now is that the text is actually black and our Spry menu bar is actually black. So we're gonna have to change the text to white, and to do that, simple, go ahead and just click on ul.menubar horizontal A, and right where it says color, just go ahead and select a white color, and that will change the text to white, and that's all we need. But now we need the hover to change that, and that's going to be simple as well. And let's go ahead and do that now. And to do that, we're going to go ahead and go back to the website that we got the code from. So let's go ahead and go back there. now that we're here, we're gonna choose whatever we want the Hoover to look like. So in my case, I want this one, which is black 3D. And again, make sure it's horizontal and IE is selected. And once that's all selected, go ahead and press copy or click copy and go back to Dreamweaver. So now that we're back on Dreamweaver, we're gonna go ahead and make that change. And again, it's very simple. All we have to go ahead and do is click again Spry Menu Bar horizontal.css, which is right above. And again, you're gonna get this side text box and click on the Hoover selection that I had mentioned earlier. And we're gonna go ahead and insert the new code 117 and insert that code and refresh. And it took effect right on 117. So once we do that, always save and go back to the sign. And now we have the Hoover. Now it changes color to a different selection, which is exactly what we wanted. Okay. In some cases, you're actually going to see that, let's say, for example, this top selection box is going to be bigger than or smaller than the sub box. So it's very simple to fix that, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how. We're going to go ahead and go to the ul.menubar horizontal li, and it's very simple. Just see that the width is actually 8 em, okay? And if we go to any other of them, we might see a difference. For example, on here it's 8.2, so most likely it's going to be 8.2 on all other ones. And yes, it is. As we can see, ULLI it is 8.2. So very simply, just go ahead and change it to 8.2. Click enter, and there you go. You see that the width is actually the same width as the sub box. So in every selection, and actually I forgot to show you guys how it's gonna look on the browser itself. So of course, very simply, just go ahead and preview it in your browser, and to do so, just save. It's gonna show you this pop-up window, and just go ahead and click OK. It's basically telling you it's gonna put in a folder into your directory, and which that's fine. That folder is gonna be everything that is needed to control this Spry menu bar. So click OK, and once you do that, here you have your browser, and basically you get to see your Spry menu bar in the browser. That's basically it. That's how you customize your Spry menu bar. If you have any questions, guys, go ahead and send me a message or leave me a comment below, and I will be more than happy to answer you back. All right, thank you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.